Hi, I'm Galileo, and we are going to cook quesadillas today. We have tortillas, pepper, and tomato, and cheese, and chicken,
and
beans. Okay, now we need the tortilla. And then we need to put some beans on it. And then, after I put the beans on it, cheese, sprinkle it on, and then we might take some peppers. Then we might take some tomatoes. Then we might take some chicken. Does that look yummy? Yeah. Okay. A little bit more cheese. Okay, now we'll take one more tortilla, put it on top, pat it down, and then we'll go to the oven. Okay, then we'll take this spray. Then we'll take it, spray on. Spray it on.
That's good.
Then we'll go over here. Take this. Remember I made this?
Yeah.
Take it. Whoa.
Keep going, keep going.
Okay. It's hard. Really hard. Man. Okay. Okay, look, it's golden brown, it's delicious, and it smells good. Yum, 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 yum. Now I'm gonna cut it. I like to do with a pizza cutter. There we go. There we have it. I'm gonna put some guacamole. Saltiest way. And then we'll take 1, 2, 3. It's a nice fun dinner with Chef Galileo.
See you next time.
And see you next time. Bye. What?
Is it good?
Good.
You ate them all.
Uh-huh. Does it feel good?